Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to force quit or frozen apps on your Mac quickly and easily. If an app isn't responding or has completely frozen, these methods will help you shut it down safely. Let's get started. First is using the keyboard shortcut. Press Option plus Command plus Escape on your keyboard. This opens the Force Quit Applications window. Select the frozen app and click Force Quit. The second method is using the Apple menu. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then, choose Force Quit from the drop-down. The same Force Quit window will appear. Select the app and click Force Quit. The third method is using Activity Monitor. Open Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus Space. Then type Activity Monitor and open it. Find the frozen app in the list, click it once, then click the X button at the top. Confirm by selecting Force Quit. That's it. These 3 methods will help you close any unresponsive or frozen apps on your Mac. If none, the method is working. Your Mac system is completely frozen, so we recommend forcing a shutdown by pressing the power button until your MacBook or iMac shows a black screen. Please wait for 10 to 15 seconds and press the power button to turn it on again. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.